Okay guys, we're on the ride. Hey Sophie, are you on a plane? Yeah, we're gonna go flying on the plane. Flying on a plane, Sophie. Come on. Push the button. We'll push the button when we start to go off. We gotta wait till everybody's on the plane, and then we'll start going off. We start zipping around at light speed. Okay, guys. Cool. Yeah, we're gonna go up in the sky. Mommy, don't forget to use the button. Yeah. Okay, where are we going? We're going. Whoa. Whoa, push the button. So you're gonna push the button. Whoa. Hey. Oh, we just saw Amy and everybody. Okay. Yeah. Hey, Soph. There we go. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, look at this place. Yeah, you like the plane? You like the plane, Sophie? You like the plane? Plane, whoa! 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 Wait, is that really... Whoa, Evie looks way different. Yay! Oh, just her haircut. Okay, how you doing, Joe? How you doing, Joe boy? Yay! Hey, Joe! Hey Sophie, let's stop the video.